of scared waiting for it. You think everyone's going to hit you.
Hello everyone, welcome back. So a slightly different video today. I'm at the best rated water park in the world. Now that's quite an accolade to have. In fact, this place has been voted on TripAdvisor as the best water park in the world for about 7-8 years. I'm here in Tenerife to check out Siam Park and checking out some of the most extreme water rides you can go on. Okay, so I'm going to check out the map. As you can see, it's a pretty big park, and probably the best thing to do is to actually get all the big rides in first. The wave pool is amazing. In fact, when it first opened, I think this is one of the biggest waves in a wave pool in the world when it first opened. Of course, there's a lazy river, there's the Lost City. One of the most extreme rides, I think, is this one, and the volcano, where you actually do feel the G-force on a water park. Not many water parks have sea lions in the front entrance. There's two here. Look at him, he's on his back just spitting water out of his mouth. He looks very happy sea lion, which is good to see. He's just playing around. It's almost like he's doing it on purpose. The theme into the water park is absolutely amazing. And what's really good is they actually hide a lot of the rides, so you don't really see what's going to be ahead of you, which I think is quite good. Nice bit of steam to keep us cool. It's quite warm today. So obviously best thing to do is to head to the lockers. Wow, look at those fish. I think they're koi carp, aren't they? They're humongous. I love the theming to this water park. It's absolutely amazing. So much greenery everywhere. It's really nice. It looks very tropical. Lazy river. We'll head on that in a little bit. It's got to be done. So do let us know in the comments if you've got a favourite water park, and let us know where it is. So I can already see one of the extreme rides there, which is some kind of dragon, and also this is the tunnel that you go through, which is one of the most extreme rides on the park, which you'll see advertised everywhere. You can probably just see it up there, and literally you drop through and you go through the shark tank or fish tank. Obviously this is the viewing area. Just look at this, how the path breaks up and you're walking through a little subtropical waterfall. That's different. Oh dear, it might slip on here actually. I guess there's one good thing about the foliage is that it will stop you getting too much sun when you're walking between the rides. So inside the water park they've got a absolutely humongous beach with a massive wave machine. Check this out. I'm here on the half-term holidays. As you can see, it's absolutely heaving. Oh, look at that. Oh, so nice. Best thing to do is take the flip-flops off, because this is white. Actually, it's not too hot. Everybody's waiting for the wave, and these waves are pretty massive. Rather than continuous waves, it's like every 30 seconds to a minute, a humongous wave just comes out. This is so big. Absolutely humongous. All these people are waiting for the wave. You know when the wave's coming because you hear a little bit of a bang. So obviously it's insanely busy. So I'm just heading towards another beach, a little mini beach. Wow, what a view when you're walking up here. So quickly I'm going to take a look at Cocoa Beach, which I believe is just there. I tell you what, it's so tiring walking from where the wave pool was down here. It's about a 15-minute walk pretty much, especially when it's really busy. So I've just got myself a fast pass, probably the best way to get on some of the rides. I can only go on them once and then they tick them off, but let's hope that extra 15 euros on top of the entry price, which was, I can't remember now, 36, 38 euros. Let's go and check out this beach just quickly as well. Wow, look at this, walking under the waterfall. On a day like today, you don't mind getting wet. So this is another beach on the southern part of the park, and there's actually a real sand beach just over there, as well as down here too. This is a lot quieter than where the wave pool is. Tell you what, the water park is so big. Walking between the rides is exhausting. So obviously there's loads of places to eat. This is one of the most popular places, the Beach Club. Let's check out the prices, because I know water park prices are always quite a lot for food. So the menu's not too bad actually, loads of things on offer. I think about a burger and some ribs, €8.50, €5.95 for a hamburger. Look at those ribs, €8.50 with some Canarian potatoes as well for €3, not bad. Roast chicken going on, burgers and fries, how much are they? €2.75 for the fries and $5.95 for the burger. So for lunch I've decided to go for a basic hot dog and Coke. This cost me €7. I waited about 20 minutes for it because the lady serving took about 20 minutes. I think she was making these to order, but it's only a hot dog. But there you go, I'll enjoy this and get on some rides. So I was here obviously in the school holidays. The queues were long, so I'm so glad that I got the fast pass. I only actually managed to get on around about 5 rides with my fast pass. Some of these were really extreme and some of them were dark rides, some of them were outside, and all the rides are coordinated by colours: green, amber and red. Obviously the red rides are the most extreme. Here's just a few of the rides that I went on. See, this is what I mean. All of the flumes are well hidden, so you can't see what awaits you. All you can see is people's faces and their screams as they come out. This is just nice and peaceful, very nice. It's like walking through a jungle through here. Listen to the birds. It's like a little hidden area where you can have a sunbed and zone out. If you really wanted to get away from it all, 2 sunbeds here, and you don't have to pay a premium. There's not many water parks where you walk up this high and get a view like that. So you can see why it's been voted #1 in the world. If you want to see more Tenerife, click here, or more of my adventures abroad, click here. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.